So you got chocolate raspberry, got, this is pistachio gelato, and stracciatelle. I think it's stracciatelle, I forget.
That's really good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go a little more.
Get the you ready to go get the convertible?
Yes.
Okay. This looks like a Johnny Depp commercial. Marie Hunt. Sauvage. Sauvage. Okay? Now the same thing goes for the drone, of course. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this bad boy on by holding it. I'm hitting once. And then hold. And then all the lights come on. And then watch the thingy. And you're going to hit the calibrate button. We're going to hit record. So hit the red button.
Slide to take off?
Slide to take off. Alright, hold on. Notice how it doesn't move. See this? Ready to go, GPS lock. You have 8 satellites attached to it, telling it where it's at the whole time. So I can literally walk underneath, just like that. I want you to go up to 200 feet. And you can go straight up. You can shoot it. Is how you fly a drone. Go. All right, put down the football. Okay. That works. Look to where you're going to be standing. Head nod. Go ahead. Cool. So I'm just gonna, so we got that, it must be mango right there. That's chocolate stracci, that's vanilla only browner, that's mint or pistachio. Here comes. This is the cash register.